Assalamu alaikum students.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
We are fine.
Okay, C5. Today's our activity is about the germination of seed. To start this activity, we will discuss about the main structure of the seed. As you know, this one is the seed. This one is the seed. Okay, seed is the basically the reproductive part of a plant which reproduce into new plant. Okay, it has embryo inside it which is used to store the food for seed. Okay, and the other part, main part of this seed is the structure. Outer covering of the seed is, outer layer of seed is called seed coat. Understood? And the other part in the seed is the next word, micropyle. What it is called? Micropyle, which is used to absorb water. You know, when we soak the seed, water absorbed inside the seed, which goes inside the seed through this tiny hole, which is called micropyle. Okay, so let's start the germination of seed. To germinate the seed, we will soak the seed into the water. Okay, into the water, and as I told you, this tiny hole which is called micropyle. Okay, water absorbed through this hole, and it will increase into its size. The size of seed will increase after absorption of water. Okay, it will swallow. Swallow means फूल जाना. As you can see the difference, students, can you see the difference? Dry seed and the soaked seed. Can you see the difference between them?
Yes.
Understood? C5. Embryo consists of two main parts. The first one is radicle and the other one is plumule. Okay, the radical part, after soaking the water, when it germinates, it will convert into root system. Radical will convert into root system, and plumule will convert into shoot system. Do you know about the difference between roots and shoot system? Roots, the plant grow upward, and the roots in which plant grow inside, or you can say downward. Roots कहाँ पे होती हैं plants के? नीचे, जमीन के अंदर. ठीक है? Its mean roots will grow downward and shoots will grow upward. Yes, students, as you can say, we have soaked the seeds into water. Okay, after few days it will germinate. Okay, during the germination, the radical part will take food from the embryo. Cotyledon embryo will produce food to the radical, and radical will convert and grow and convert into root system into the soil. Okay, and the plumule will grow and it will convert into the shoot system, which will grow upside. Okay,
Yes.
upside, when it will grow, it will make leaflet. Okay, green leaflet. After few days, it will convert into leaves, green leaves. When it will convert into green leaves, then the seed has been germinated. You can say it has been germinated. And after germination, when it produces leaves, the plant is able to make their own food through photosynthesis. Okay, during the germination and before making the leaf, the seed will take the food from embryo. Okay, that's it. Have you understood?
Yes.
Good. C5, as you can see, this is an example of shoot system and root system. These are roots. Okay, it will grow into the soil, and the upward part, which is green in color, which has converted into leaves, this is the shoot system. Understood?
Yes.
And you understood?
Yes.
Good.